Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Outer Worlds 2 game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The first method is to restart your PlayStation. This is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs and glitches. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. After that, check if you can launch the game. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next method is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. For that, first highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. Now here, if any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select the Outer Worlds 2 game and then click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to delete games save file PS5. For that, first open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select the Outer Worlds 2 game. Next solution is to check storage space on console. So for that, open PS5 settings and then move down to storage. Then here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data, and after that try to launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose language options in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings on PS5 first, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software. Here select system software update and settings. After that, choose update system software if any update is available, and finally select update using internal option. Now once the software updates is installed on PS5, then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to reset your console settings. For that, open settings on your PS5, then move to system. Now choose reset options. Under system software, then select reset default settings and at last choose restore option. Next is to reinstall the Outer Worlds 2 game. So when the previous methods doesn't work, you are suggested to reinstall it. For that, first highlight the Outer Worlds 2 on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install the Outer Worlds 2 again to check for the error. So the last method is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Whatever issue you are coming across while playing the game, explain to the support team and hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.